So I'm just going to do an oil change on my son's KTM 65. So you've got to undo this 13mm bolt here, which is the drainage plug. So I've already cracked it, just unscrew that. Let that drain out. Right, so I've let it all drain out now. I'm coming out, tipped it over a bit and got a bit extra out. I'm going to put my bolt back in. And then we're just going to tighten that up. Tighten that up now. And I'm going to put 500mm in the other side. I'll show you how to take it off and put it in. So this is the other side of the bike. As you can see there, that's where you put your oil in. So just unscrew that. See gears in there. Cups. I'm just going to add this 500mm. It's at 800 now. Now I'm going to just pour this in and keep checking as I go. And once you've put your 500mm in, put your oil cap back on. And that's it, oil change done. KTM 65.